camper's making a track in the sand. Somebody said those are smoke clouds back there from the fires.
I wish it was hot.